Jealousy sparks double murder in St. James as a man slaughters his common-law wife, his stepdaughter, then kills himself.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Residents of Point Sienna Close in Rosemount, St. James were left bewildered on Sunday, September 23, when they woke up to the shocking news of the murder of a mother and her daughter and the subsequent suicide by the woman's common-law husband, who killed himself by driving a car into the Rio River in St. Catherine. The woman, who was stabbed multiple times and her throat slashed, has been identified as 45-year-old Dion Smith, a service station supervisor. Her daughter, whose throat was slashed as she slept, is 16-year-old J. Chanel Gordon, a student of the Herbert Morrison Technical High School. The accused killer, who is believed to be in his late 30s, has been identified as a security guard, Fabian Lysong. Lysong's 13-year-old son, who he took with him when he fled the scene, has since been found and is safe. "It is a cruel act," said Upton Macpherson, the uncle of the slain woman. "I know this man for quite a while, and although he did not talk a lot, I never expected anything like this from him."
She's living with this guy. I don't know him that much, but I know they always have a little dispute now and again, And it's really shocking for me to know that him really did that, especially to the young little girl that's going to school. It's her final year at Herbert Morrison, and it really saddened the whole community. And I don't know, man, but it should not happen like that, so I don't know, but because I don't know this guy that good. Anyway, I speak with him sometime and he seems to be calm when speaking to other people, but it's like, I think the whole procedure, I think it's about jealousy,
According to residents of the community, which is located some 5 minutes from downtown Montego Bay, the killing might have been sparked by jealousy, as they claimed that Lysong has been complaining to his friends that Smith was being unfaithful to him. "Him always a say she a game bun, but me never know say would take it to such a level," said one resident. "And because him not the talkative type, you couldn't really know what going on in him head, but it's a wicked act, especially if you cut the little girl's throat." Another resident said that Lysong was also unfaithful because his 13-year-old son was born to another woman during his relationship with Smith. Him go out, go get picnic, and the woman never left him or kill him. "And now look what him do, but him a get bun," said the furious female resident. "Why him kill himself? Him should have stand up and face justice. Him is a worthless coward." Meanwhile, Inspector Francis of the Mount Salem Police has appealed to community members to alert the police whenever they are aware of domestic disputes.
Here this morning, sad situation where a family would have been killed, said to be by in-house family members. This is a clear domestic violence issue, and we have appealed to the citizens around that domestic violence is a crime, and they have a responsibility to report to the police so that the necessary action can be taken, either referring person to the family court so that the issues can be dealt with properly, or they come to the police where the law can take its course. There are several disputes that are happening around, and there are neighbors who see things and knows things, but it seems as if the will to refer people to persons in the community who makes a difference, who can get the community to gel together, it seems that there is some distance there.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.